Welcome to the beta version of the new All Things Missouri map room. The new map room combines the same Missouri data you know with new user-focused features. The All Things Missouri map room has thousands of layers available from local, state, and national data sources. First, begin by searching for and selecting the data you want to view on the map. The new map room allows you to explore recently added map layers, as well as our most used layers. And as always, you can search by keyword or browse available data by topic and source. For example, browsing by topic, you can drill down to see layers related to education attainment by clicking on the education topic and the attainment subtopic. A newly added feature is the ability to filter search results by available geography type. The majority of the Missouri map room's data is available at the county level, but what if I am looking for data only at the zip code level? I can click Selected Geography Types and then click Zip Code, and my topic list will filter to only show layers available at the zip code level. To search by keyword, simply type in a single word or short phrase. For example, I can type in the word food and return 265 search results. Same as before, I can filter my results by geography. Additionally, I have the option to group my results by topic and by source. Once you've identified the layer or layers you would like to add to the map, click the checkbox next to the layer name. The layer will then automatically add to your map. To hide your toolbar and explore your map, click the Add Layer button on the left side of your screen. Zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons. Clicking the Home button will return you to the full Missouri map. Use the Find Address or Place bar to enter a city, county, zip code, or address. To view layer information for your map, click the Layers button at the left side of the screen. Turn the layer on and off by clicking the Map button, add labels to the map by clicking the Label button, and modify the transparency or color saturation by dragging the opacity slider left and right. Some layers are available at multiple geographies. Select alternate geographies from the drop-down list when available. Additionally, some layers are available as alternate data types. Select alternate data types from the drop-down list when available. Need to view older or newer versions of the same data? Select your year of interest from the drop-down list when available. Click the Manage Reference Layers button to view your map's reference layers. Pre-loaded reference layers include features like highways, county boundaries, and water. Click the Map button to add a reference layer to your map. Click a location on the map to get more information. The pop-up that appears will display all metadata associated with the map layer and geography. To add an additional layer to your map, click the Add Layer button on the left side of the screen. Now you can search for additional layers just like we did at the beginning of the video. Layers in the map room can be reordered by clicking the arrow button and then dragging the layer up and down in the legend. Advanced mapping tools are available by clicking the Tools button at the left side of the screen. A Tools pane will appear where the legend just was. Advanced mapping tools include Query Data, Select Data, Measure Tools, Draw Graphics, Mask Tool, Locality Finder, Swipe Layer, and Walk Scores. Please note that since this map room is a beta version, it does not yet include all of the tools featured from the old Missouri map room. Missing features include Data Upload, Data Builder, and Footprint Report tools. These features will be added to the new Missouri map room at a later time, but if you're looking to use them today, use the old Missouri map room. When you're finished with your map, you can share it via link, email, or social media by clicking the Share button. You can also export the map by clicking the Export button. This allows you to download your map as a PDF, PNG, JPEG, GIF, and more. If you have questions about the All Things Missouri Map Room or need assistance, please contact us at help@cares.missouri.edu. Then, finally, please take the time to give us your feedback on the new map room design. The changes we made are largely in part of suggestions you provided. We look forward to making your map room experience even more user-friendly in the future.